Hello. We've a much colder snap of weather on the way for the next couple of days, so there's a much greater risk of some ice and some snow. Snow from these showers in the north through the course of today, and even perhaps in this band of more persistent rain in the south, just on the hills, because we've got that cold air just nudging further southwards, hanging around through today, hanging around through tomorrow as well. And to look at the strengthening wind, that will accentuate the chill. So yes, we do have warnings out at the moment, especially across the northern half of the country, and the snow mainly on the hills, but you can get the details on those warnings from the website, because the showers are falling as snow on the hills in the north, but across Scotland even to lower levels with a slight covering. And here with a widespread frost, northern England northwards, a risk of ice, some treacherous conditions potentially. Further south there could be some patchy frost and a little bit of snow in this system as well across the Welsh mountains, perhaps the moors of the southwest. As it edges its way northwards and eastwards, perhaps bringing some snow into the Midlands as well. The showers further north still falling as snow over the hills. This, as you can see, slowly migrates eastwards through the day, giving way to showery weather further west, some hail and thunder here, whilst for Scotland and Northern Ireland the showers perhaps becoming fewer, more confined to the coast, and more sunshine. But it's cold for all of us, accentuated by the strengthening wind around that area of low pressure. And then those weather fronts spiral their way around the low pressure overnight, so an increased risk as we go through into the coming night of snow potentially across northern and eastern areas, and a more widespread frost with the surfaces damp even in the south. There's a risk of some ice as well. So quite a difficult one on Friday in terms of the details, because we've got these weather systems spiralling around our area of low pressure. Certainly it's going to be cold. It'll be windier as well, with a risk of gales for the west coast of Scotland and also through the Irish Sea, and these bands of rain pushing their way gradually westwards, with some snow potentially even at lower levels on the western flank. And look at the temperatures, they are quite low, so in the heavier bursts that snow level comes down as well. Could even be a smattering further south as well. So certainly lots to keep our eye on at the moment for our first widespread taste of winter. The weekend sees things drying a little bit, but it stays pretty chilly, as you can see. The warnings, as I say, are on the website.